Want to be on top, or are you a bottom?
You wanna be on top? You wanna be on top? You wanna be on top? You wanna be on top?
My wig almost fell off. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I have been in front of the damn camera. I'm so glad to be back. My MAC collection was so crazy in December, and then January flew by. I was in New York for the Grammys. That is so surreal to say. And I was on E! News. That was crazy. I got to go on with the crew and talk about beauty trends. It was so honorable to be on E! News and at the Grammys and to walk the Grammys red carpet and also do the infamous Glam bot camera. Check it out. Oh my god, and on top of that, of all things to happen to me, TYRA Banks, the one, the only TYRA Banks asked me to be on America's Next Top Model as a guest for the girls to do a beauty hack challenge. That was so surreal. I have loved Top Model ever since I was a little boy. I would watch it and emulate photo shoots, and I drew a lot of inspiration from that show, and also TYRA Banks as an amazing entrepreneur and supermodel of the world. So cool. If you guys didn't see the episode, I got to walk in the house, surprise the girls, and we got to do a beauty hack challenge where the girls were to draw from a bag and pick different items and represent the hack on the vlog, and I have the winning vlog here. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have very special guests.
Hi, I'm Sandra.
And I'm Shanasty.
Shanasty, okay, and she better show us something nasty, okay? She better show us a beauty hack involving
the condom blender. And this is exactly how it looks, but we are going to show you guys how to make it.
Yeah.
Okay,
so,
perfect.
You guys have to make sure that you guys clean this and dry it because you do not want any lube on your face.
Yeah, because safe makeup is the best makeup.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you're just going to apply the lotion. So usually a beauty blender, yeah.
Just go
I'm
in your
just gonna show
mom
you
and
guys
daddy's
how to
room
use
and
it.
grab
The beauty
powder.
blender basically soaks up water. With
It's-
this one, well, it soaks up the makeup, basically.
Yeah. So the best thing about this one is that you can use less makeup and it will give you a full coverage. Usually with beauty blenders, it takes away all of the makeup, so it absorbs all the makeup, so you have to put a lot of foundation on, and that's not what we want. Okay, well.
I love condoms to my face.
Oh my gosh. What else do you like? Do tell us. I'm interested. I want to know.
Oh my gosh, so basically, like, you don't want a soft, you want it hard.
Oh,
Yeah.
show the audience. It
So-
looks really good. That's actually working.
Yeah. And it's good for
And you don't have to
psoriasis
put a
too.
lot,
Like
yeah.
it covers.
Oh, it's for psoriasis.
Yeah, it covers, like, it's a full coverage makeup.
So it will
blender.
hide any blemishes, anything you have, even though you're not putting a lot of foundation on, just because it's not absorbing it.
Wow.
Yeah, and it gives you that very good skin tone.
So basically, and then like this things can last up to a month to a week, depending on the quality of the condom. So you don't want the Trojan, you want a Magnum.
Oh, you want a Magnum?
Yeah,
You
you
want to
want
make sure
Magnum.
you take care of
Well,
it.
I'm gonna go pick up a Magnum right
Yeah,
now because
yeah.
I'm so excited and yeah. All right, stimulated. All right, thank you guys so much for coming on my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
That was so much fun. I was so starstruck. I had my own trailer next to Ashley Graham. I wore all red. I wore red lipstick. I wore Patrick Woo. Y'all didn't know. And it was so special. And I thank TYRA, I thank the whole America's Next Top Model team for having me. And best of luck to the winner of the season. Also, you may see me in the finale. I don't know. So speaking of Top Model, I got new strobes. If you guys didn't see on my Instagram, I got new strobes, new lighting to get back into photography, because when I was younger, I loved photography like so much. And I invested in some lights and I played with some lights and got this beautiful, sickening Top Model photo. And I wanted to recreate this look on my channel because it is so fierce. And I'm wearing 40-inch hair, custom made bundles on bundles, and it's so fierce. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, subscribe to my channel, damn it. and stay tuned for this tutorial. Inches, inches, I got inches, 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 my ass got inches. Alright guys, first things first, I am taking my Glam Glow Gravity Mud, the silver one, and it is dry because you know if you want that top model skin, girl, gotta put it on for that tight feeling. Oh look, it's already it's already flapping in the wind. So we're gonna peel this off. Oh my god, so easy. So easy. Ah, so good. I'm gonna wash this off and be right back. So now that my skin is fresh, I'm going to prime the skin. I tried this new spray here. This is by H2O Beauty, the Oasis Quench the Day Hydrating Mist. I'm obsessed with spraying the face. Ooh, do you see you can see the mist up in this camera. Okay, HD. Come on, 2018. Can we get a slow-mo? So the secret I feel to TV ready top model skin is skin prep. So hydrating your skin every day. I don't care if you're oily, if you're dry, normal, combination, if you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're a dad, a mother, a grandmother, a son, a daughter, a sister, a brother. Watching this, moisturize your damn skin and prep it because you want fresh glowing skin. As my skin is soaking in all that goodness, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to brows. Brows, we want full, we want 90s, we want supermodel brows. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the bottom of my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So before I moved on, I wanted to show you guys a trick because I got my brows done and I kind of want to make them more straight because this one is a little bit too arched for me. It's all just preference, but if you want to cheat a more straight brow, you can take the pencil or whatever brow product you like and cheat the line a little bit lower, which is what I've been doing late. If you guys want to get a more full brow, it doesn't have to be just the top or make the arch, because otherwise if you pull the arch too much on the top, it'll just look like that. Whereas we can dictate the shape and make it lower and more fierce for that edgy, you know, fierce brow. This kind of gives you that like supermodel frown, you know, like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this arch a little bit because that's just what I want. And if you go too low with the pencil or it's a little bit undefined, you can fix that with concealer. And as you can see, I'm doing the same on the other side. The brows look fierce, can I say? They look fierce so far. So these are my brows. These are my brows. I know they look scary, but we're gonna blend a little bit later. Y'all know the drill. For the face, I'm gonna take a little bit of Benefit Professional and apply this on my cheeks. And yes, I'm missing a nail. So for foundation, I'm gonna take a brand new foundation. This one is called the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. I heard lots of good things. It's my first time trying it. This is the Huaine Huaine foundation. I'm gonna try this. So shake it well and apply directly to the face. Nice coverage. It's cute. Next, for the under eyes, I'm gonna do a concoction of concealers for the face. First, I have been loving the YSL Touche Éclat. I have a little rainbow sticker so no one takes it from me, and I know it's mine. And I'm in the color 5.5, and I'm just gonna bump this up and simply go in on my face. I love this because it's so smoothing under the eyes and it's so easy and it's a pen. And you see the secret to a PatrickStarrr face is that we're gonna draw lots of light towards the middle. So under the eyes, on the nose, and contour all around. So if you guys want attention to your face, just do that with all the concealer and the brightness of the concealer, okay? All right, now I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and blend all this concealer and bounce the Beauty Blender all over my face. Guys, speaking of top model tutorial, I cannot believe that I was on the season of America's Next Top Model.
So, speaking of beauty, I want to introduce one of the biggest beauty bloggers in the whole wide world. He has millions of subscribers. PatrickStarrr!
utilize your social media. Don't be afraid to express yourself because life opens up when you do. We shot that episode so long ago, and I just remember watching America's Next Top Model as a kid and watching Tyra Banks as a kid, and it's literally so surreal that, you know, I have met her #1, and then for Tyra Beauty, if you guys don't remember, I did a What's in My Bag video, and then when I uploaded that months later, because I was working on Mac in between, so it took me a while to get that video out. And also, if you guys want to know something, when I was doing my video with Tyra Banks and when I edited it, it took me so long to get it on YouTube, because I hope she's not watching this, because just looking at the screen, it was just so surreal seeing her and then me in the same frame. So I couldn't even bring myself to edit it because it was just too unreal. And then I festered enough confidence to like actually look at the screen, sit down and edit it, and then just take it all in. And then on top of that, you know, after I posted it, she had asked me to dinner, and then we went to dinner. So crazy. And then we were just casually talking, and you know, she was like, "You should be on America's Next Top Model," and I was like, what? All right, guys, I'm gonna immediately set with my one and only Patrick's powder from MAC Cosmetics. We're launching internationally this month, so I am going to the Philippines. If you guys didn't know, I'm going at the end of the month, so if you're there, see ya. So next you're gonna take a bunch of powder and just beat your face like you in the 90s. Like you a 90s supermodel, okay? Because everything back then was matte. I love Top Model because it shows diversity and beauty, and I love what Tyra has created, and that's everything that I stand for. And as you guys know, I'm a man in makeup, and it's not the most typical beauty so for her to have asked me to demonstrate beauty hacks and different things, just to have me on television, I think is just something so different, because you would have never seen like a plus size brown turban wearing man on TV with a full beat face. So it's really awesome, and thank you, Tyra Banks. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am filming with the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna start off and take a little bit of caramel, and apply this all over the crease. Ooh, so soft. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of hazelnut and mix it with mocha and apply this on the inner and outer crease. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe M433. This is a must-have brush. If you guys want to cop it using the PSTARRR discount code, snatch it. All right. Come on, blends. Come on, hooded eyes. I'm applying it on the inner and outer third, and I'm just connecting it in the middle to create this halo eye effect. And the reason why I did this eye, you guys, is because I'm inspired by Tyra and like her like halo eye. She seems to favor like a spotlight eye. I would love to do her makeup one day for my channel. It'd be so fun. Guys, now for the center of the lid, this is so magical. I'm gonna take my Lit Cosmetics, one of my favorite brands ever. It's an oldie but a goodie. This is the best liquid glitter base ever. It's unique because it's liquid, and I'm gonna mix it with the Lit Addicted plus Silver. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the center of my lid. Do you see that? So pretty. Okay, so for this look, I have been loving this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in dark brown. I just love a good liner. So instead of black, the brown just adds some sort of softness and elegance. Oh, here's a tip too. If you guys do glitter on the eye, it's best to use a liquid liner, because if you use a gel, let's say like Inglot or Black Track or something, the gel will crumble on top of the adhesive and your primer, and it'll just crumble up, and that's not what you want. So I advise, if you're using a liner, liquid is best. Now for the bottom of the waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and take this beautiful MAC pencil. It's such a pretty color. So creamy. And this is an eye kohl. Eye kohls by MAC are so soft. It's in the color called Costa Riche. And I'm going to tightline my waterline. And I'm going to take the newest Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit and apply many coats on my lashes. Can I just say I feel so much better double stacking my lashes because something was off. As soon as I smoked it out, something was off. So I took just some random pair of lashes and I am stacking it for a more full effect. How much y'all want to bet Kylie's baby popped out looking like this? Okay, lashes, halo eye, beat face. Congrats, Kylie. Alright guys, I'm going to take a little bit of my shadow from my collection Embark and just put this on the outer lash line. I just want to smoke it out and it's one of my favorite colors, so I couldn't resist myself. Cute. Smoky. I love this look. So I'm going to dust off the fallout with the baking powder. Oh, look how flawless. And I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. It's a foundation powder with my Morphe E51 brush. Love this brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some color back into my face. Ooh, we looking cute. Guys, I'm looking so snatched and I love it. Now for the under eye, I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Pro Finish again in a lighter color in the 128 brush. And this, I think, want to say is my oldest brush in my kit. I cannot live without it. I've had it for years. And ever since I lived in Orlando, and I'm gonna take this and push this underneath the eye. Guys, here's another trick. If you guys are drag queens, this is like a must too. You can bake your highlight with a puff. So if you want to get the extra coverage, just take your puff, fold it in half, and dip into your foundation powder or whatever. This is going to be a lot, okay? And just take this and oh my god, look how beautiful. Oh, I love makeup. And you will get the most full coverage of your life. And if you're watching this and you're like, holy hell, that's a lot of powder, just take your Fix Plus or whatever setting spray you prefer and spritz after all the powder is said and done, because this looks beautiful on any skin tone. You just have to work with your skin type. All right, I'm gonna take this color Deep Dark. It's a mineralized skin finish. I love this powder. And this brush, the Morphe Y11, one of my favorites. And contour my face. Guys, my nose is looking like perfection, okay? So next, we're going to take my favorite blush ever. This is called Peaches by MAC. Love her. She has been good to me from the dawn of time here online. The more makeup I put, the more sassy I get, okay? I love blush. Blush seems to be overlooked, but I feel like everyone should try blush, even contour with it. Do you see all the light that's happening on the inside of my face? She's fierce. She's top model. She's Linda Evangelista. Did you stone those tights? Oh, we're looking full coverage. Last but not least, we are to lips. This is the combo that I was inspired by Makeup by Ariel and Shay Mitchell on her channel. She did like a lip injections lip look, and I tried to emulate it with just 3 products. This is Cork Lip Liner by MAC, Shy Girl lipstick. It's the most beautiful peachy lip ever, and then I have Bow lip gloss. So pretty. And the secret about this lip combo is blending the lipstick into the liner. Do you see how beautiful it is? I used to wear this when I worked at MAC all the time. Guys, look how beautiful this lip is. This look would not be complete without this 40-inch. Do you see how long this is? This 40-inch wig by my girlfriends at Hair R Us. It's beautiful. Ooh, clock my hairline, bitch. Oh my god. Let a bitch change, okay? Let a bitch change. I'm gonna change and I'll be right. I'm gonna change and I'll be right back. Work the hair, Tyra said. Work the eye, work the neck, work the wig, work the edges. What edges? Work the eye. All right, everyone, this is the finished America's Next Top Model look. This is a winning look for everyone. If you want to feel your fiercest, your baddest, and your cuntiest, definitely snatch this look. Get you a nice old wig and overline your lips and live your top model fantasy. I love this look so much. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. If you guys saw me on America's Next Top Model, thank you so much. Again, thank you to TYRA Banks. Subscribe if you guys want to see more looks like this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
You wanna be on top?